Welcome back to Vehicle Inspector. Prepare to be blown away by this incredible 2025 model. Official computer images have been leaked online, providing an exciting glimpse into the future. Recent spy photos have unveiled important information about this renowned machine. The 2025 Toyota Century is poised to be a symbol of luxury and innovation, blending classic elegance with modern advancements. This latest iteration of the Century maintains its reputation as a chauffeur-driven vehicle, while also appealing to those who prefer a more hands-on driving experience. The 2025 Century sees a major update with the introduction of a 3.5-liter V6 plug-in hybrid system, designed to offer both a powerful driving experience and the quiet, smooth ride expected from a luxury sedan. This hybrid system can function as a battery electric vehicle, BEV, for everyday driving and as a hybrid electric vehicle, HEV, for longer trips, making it versatile for various driving needs. The exterior of the Century is meticulously crafted, with a mirror-like finish achieved through the skillful polishing by Toyota's master craftspeople. The design retains the vehicle's stately presence, with new LED headlights and taillights that add a modern touch to its classic silhouette. The iconic Phoenix emblem, intricately engraved, further emphasizes the vehicle's luxurious appeal. Inside, the Century offers an opulent, human-centered space designed for maximum comfort. The rear seats are fully reclining with massage and refreshment functions, making long journeys exceptionally comfortable for passengers. The audio system is crafted with the expertise of musical instrument manufacturers, creating a live performance-like experience within the car. The cabin is also equipped with features like wide-opening rear doors, retractable power steps, and grips that make entry and exit effortless and graceful. The hybrid system of the Century is expected to deliver impressive fuel efficiency, though exact mileage figures are yet to be released. The combination of a V6 engine and electric motors provides powerful acceleration while ensuring a smooth and quiet ride. The four-wheel steering system, known as dynamic rear steering, enhances handling at various speeds, making it suitable for both city driving and highway cruising. The 2025 Toyota Century is anticipated to be priced around 25 million Japanese yen, approximately $170,000, reflecting its premium features and luxurious build. The vehicle is expected to be available in global markets starting in 2024, with customizable options for those seeking a bespoke luxury experience. This latest Century stands as a testament to Toyota's commitment to blending tradition with cutting-edge technology, offering a luxurious and refined driving experience that is second to none.